In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a bank statement in Xero. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for a larger team, keeping your records up to date is crucial. Fortunately, Xero makes this process relatively straightforward. So, let's dive right into it. To begin, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From there, navigate to the Accounting tab. This is the area where you'll discover all the tools at your fingertips for managing your business finances efficiently. Click on Accounting, and from the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of all the bank accounts you've linked to Xero. It's a centralized view that makes things easier. Choose the specific bank account you want to work with by simply clicking on it. Having selected the bank account, the next thing to do is manage the account settings. Click on Manage Account, and from the list that appears, select Import a Statement. Now this is where the magic happens as we bring your bank statement into Xero, making it a seamless part of your financial management. You'll enter the Import a Statement section, which is quite intuitive. The next step is to select the file you want to upload. Click on Select File and navigate through your device to locate the bank statement you've previously saved. A quick tip here. Make sure that your file is in an acceptable format, such as CSV or OFX, as these are commonly supported by Xero. After locating the right file, click Open to get it uploaded. With the file now in place, hit Next to proceed to the upcoming step. This step is critical as it gives you an opportunity to review the imported data. Take a few moments to ensure all your data is displayed accurately. In the case of uploading a CSV file, Xero might prompt you to map the columns. This means you'll need to align your data appropriately with Xero's format, ensuring there's a clear understanding between your file's data and what Xero expects. Once you've effectively mapped the columns, click Next once more to finish the import process. And just like that, your bank statement is successfully imported into Xero. The final task involves reconciling your bank statement lines with the transactions recorded in Xero. This step assures that your accounting ledger remains accurate and up to date. And there you have it. Uploading a bank statement to Xero is an essential task made simple and efficient. By regularly following these steps, you keep your financial records precise and enjoy seamless accounting management with Xero. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.